Everyone, welcome to back our challenge. Today we are making the pasta. This today our chef is making pasta. What is this chef? This one.
Yeah, garlic,
This is garlic. You just make the saute. And we need to put tomato sauce.
and white sauce.
Then white sauce. Actually, we are making the pink sauce with pasta. This is the chicken, so which is the separate. We need to add it in pasta. And we have the lots of vegetables. This is a jugni and broccoli
Mushroom,
and mushrooms. We
Bell
have
pepper.
the bell peppers, carrots, and we have
Corn.
the American corn, which is we have. So we need to mix well, and we need to put some cooking cream. This is value for that food taste, and we need to put some more of butter. This is the pure Amul butter and some mozzarella cheese, which is make yummy.
oregano,
And with oregano, which is the main ingredients for the pasta, and black peppers and little bit of chili flakes. So it's all the spices which is goes to the pasta, and it makes very yummy and very lovely taste. Still we didn't add the pasta. We will add the pasta later. So still we need to cook the sauce and mix well properly, so it will be cooked, and that flavors and texture it will come the very nice. And we have the penne pasta. This is we are adding the pasta in sauce, then we need to mix well. It's almost done for 50%. This is the main ingredients which you need to follow for the making the pasta and yummy pasta. And we need to put some more ingredients. Chef will show you. This is the looks. Is the yummy pasta. Then we will put some extra cheese, which is more flavors and more tasty, and with some parsley. This is the main ingredients for the pasta, and this is our pasta. You want to make the pasta, make it like this.